Ship. Did I say ship? I said something else. Anyway, my friend Bill McGee put this in a video, and it's a song that means a lot to me because this ship was made in America. Period. It was America, and so much is not American anymore. It is the greatest country in the world, and I like this. And I think that we wrote this little tribute to her, hoping it can save her, but oh, she's still floating. So let's see what happens. She floats as only she can. Proud and majestic is she. Her colors of grandeur none can compare. Could you picture her on the high sea? Kings and queens were the guests of her time, persons of fortune and fame. Can you recall the time it was when the whole world would utter her name? She's a symbol of America, built with American hands. She cuts through the seas with amazing ease. She still holds the blue ribbon, a flagship of our nation, the strongest and fastest to date. We cannot stand by, we will not accept that this is to be her fate. Still the fastest ship that ever crossed the Atlantic. The blue ribbon, her contours swept the horizon, split it. Find the endless tide. Though faded and rusted, you can see right through her beauty, her grace, and her pride. Now broken alone, no place to call home, she sits and waits patiently to fly her flames, fly her fly, fulfill her destiny. Cause she's the symbol of America, built with American hand. I love you, Bob. It cuts through the seas with amazing ease. She still holds the blue ribbon, a flagship of our nation, strongest and fastest to date. We cannot stand by, we will not accept that this is to be her fate. Now is the time to hear her call. Let's end these years of neglect. A second chance to serve again. She deserves at least that much respect. For 50 odd years she continues to fight the ravages of the sea. Time will win out as it always does, fade into history. Cause she's the symbol of America, built with American hands. Yeah, she cuts through the seas with amazing ease. She still holds the blue ribbon, a flagship of our nation, strongest and fastest today. We cannot stand by, we can't let her go, but that seems to be her fate. Symbol of America, like the Liberty Bell, like the Statue of Liberty, built in America, won every award. It's killing me. A symbol of America. Thank you, that means a lot. I'd like to ask a friend to come up and sing a song with me. Is he out there? You ready?